We're going to solve the rational equation 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 4 equals 5/4. We're going to find the least common multiple of the denominators. So I start with the first denominator and I write that down. That's x minus 1. I look at the next denominator and see is there anything else I need to include? Yes. I write down x minus 4. Look at the third denominator, I need to include a 4. I'm going to stick that one in front. Now I'm going to take this LCM and multiply by every single piece here. So I have 1 over x minus 1. I'm going to multiply that by 4 times x minus 1 times x minus 4 all over 1 plus 1 over x minus 4 times 4 times x minus 1 times x minus 4 all over 1 equals 5 over 4 times x minus 1 times x minus 4 all over 1. Now we are going to cancel whatever terms we can. If it's on the numerator and the denominator of the same term, I can cancel it. So x minus 1 cancels, x minus 4 cancels, and 4 cancels. We've cleared all of the denominators. Now I have 4 times x minus 4 plus 4 times x minus 1 equals 5 times x minus 1 times x minus 4. I'm going to go ahead and distribute. I get 4x minus 16 plus 4x minus 4 equals 5. Okay, I'm going to FOIL this. 5 times x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4. On this side I have 8x minus 20 equals 5x squared. Okay, if I put these guys together right here, I get negative 5x. So this is negative 25x plus 20. I'm going to move everything to the right-hand side. So I'm going to subtract 8x and add 20. Minus 8x, add 20. So I get 0 equals 5x squared. Did I do that right? Minus 8? Okay, so that's what? Minus 33x plus 40. Check me. 8 plus 5 is 13. Looks good. Okay. Now I need to solve this. You can try to factor it, or use the quadratic formula, or complete the square. Let's go ahead and let's try to factor it, I guess. Complete the square would, a quadratic formula would be very easy, but let's go ahead and try to factor it. So I need factors of 5, 1 and 5, and factors of 40, 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 4 and 10, 5 and 8, that add up to negative 33. So I need a combination that adds up to 33. So I get 0 equals something that adds up to 33. Remember, when you factor, you're going to take this pair with one of these pairs. If it adds up to negative 33, this plus right here, remember, is very special. It tells us signs in parentheses are the same. We use the middle sign, so in this case it'll be a minus. It also tells you we add to get the middle number. Okay. So I'm going to have a 1x and a 5x because that's all my options here. Need something that adds up to 33, so they're both minuses. Okay. Well, it looks like we are going to have 5 and 40. This is too big. I usually start at the bottom, so like 1 times 5 plus 5 times 8. And that doesn't work. So I flip the order. What if I do 1 times 8 plus 5 times 5? Yep, 25 plus 8, this one works. So the 1, this 1 right here, has to be multiplied by 8. So the 8 has to go in the back. 5 has to be multiplied by 5, so it has to go here. Let's check it. 5x squared minus 25x minus 8x plus 40. Okay, so then we solve 5x minus 8 equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0. 5x equals 8, so x is 8/5, or x equals 5. And these are the answers, as long as we don't have any zeros in the denominator. So my restrictions, x can't be 1, x can't be 4. And neither of those are my answers, so I'm good. My answers look good. X equals 8/5 or x equals 5.